Hi, today we are going to make a DIY hangboard. As you can see, it's a very simple design. It's inspired by the Dave McLeod's edge board. It has three edges, the 38mm, 25mm and 16mm. All of them have a 6mm round over. I'm going to make it out of this piece of yellow pine, but you can save yourself a bit of time by grabbing a 2x4 and making something similar out of that. The drawing should be in the description, so we can start making. And now it's time to create the edges. I'm using a router with a 20mm bit and I'm going to do it in 2 passes. This wood is fairly soft, so it should be no problem. After that, I'm just going to round over the edges with a 6mm round over bit. Alright, we are done. This is a very quick and simple project, and in about an hour you have a perfectly working hangboard. All that's left to do now is to hang it somewhere convenient and start training. And the process I showed was just one of many ways you can do this. These grooves can be made with a circular saw or a table saw, for example. And you can just round over these edges by sanding. You can also just make these strips of wood and glue it to the board. If you use glue and some wood screws, it should be plenty strong enough. So there are many options and you can choose whichever you prefer. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.